Did you know the average home now contains over 300 electronic devices, and most people can't even name half of them? Hidden in that pile of chargers and smart plugs are inventions so clever they feel like science fiction quietly slipped into real life. Today, we're uncovering gadgets you probably didn't know existed. From pocket-sized translators that talk for you, to smart tools that can literally find your lost wallet using light. And the last one on this list? It might just change how you see technology itself. Quick challenge. How many gadgets do you think you actually use every day? 5? 10? Drop your guess in the comments, and by the end, see how many of these new ones would make your list. Ever tried to hang shelves only to realize your tape measure's not long enough and your math's off by an inch? The Clix Pro Smart Measure fixes that instantly. It uses laser precision to measure up to 130 feet and auto-calculates area, volume, or height in real time. Just point, click, and done. No app, no guesswork, no wasted lumber, in construction or DIY. That's revolutionary. It even stores your past readings and syncs via Bluetooth. It's like having a pocket engineer. If you measure anything for work or just want straighter shelves, this is your shortcut. Perfectly simple. Imagine walking through Tokyo, ordering ramen and speaking perfect Japanese without ever learning a word. The X-Space Smart Translator makes that fantasy real. It translates 138 languages in real time using neural AI, both spoken and written. You talk, it replies instantly, no lag, no confusion. Frequent travelers say it's like carrying a personal interpreter. Dual microphones cancel background noise and updates improve accuracy weekly. So whether you're closing deals overseas or backpacking through Europe, language is no longer a barrier, it's an open door. Global freedom. You know that heart drop moment when you can't find your wallet? Gone. The Extra AirTag wallet combines premium leather design with built-in Apple AirTag tracking, meaning you can ping it from your phone and follow it like GPS. It's slim, RFID blocking, and ejects cards with a click, James Bond style. One press and your cards fan out perfectly. Losing your wallet once used to ruin your week. Now, it's impossible. Minimalism meets security. And it's stylish enough to flex on your next coffee run. What if your skincare routine worked like physical therapy? The TheraFace Pro merges beauty and medical tech into one handheld powerhouse. It combines percussive massage, LED light therapy, and microcurrent toning to tighten, calm, and rejuvenate your skin, right from home. The red light reduces wrinkles, the blue kills acne bacteria, and the massage boosts circulation. Triple effect. Dermatologists love it because it bridges health and aesthetics without needles or downtime. Self-care meets science, and the results? Noticeable in a week. Looks like a toy, works like a spy tool. The Flipper Zero is a pocket-sized cyber multi-tool used by techies, engineers, and security experts. It can scan, emulate, and interact with RFID cards, remotes, sensors, and more, basically talking to the tech around you. Originally designed for ethical hacking and testing, it's now a cult favorite in the gadget world. Just remember, it's powerful, so use it responsibly. The takeaway? Understanding your tech makes you unhackable. Ever poured the perfect coffee only for it to turn cold mid-meeting? Ember's Smart Mug solves that frustration. It keeps your drink at your exact chosen temperature for up to 90 minutes, or all day on its charging coaster. Through its app, you can name your mug, set profiles for different drinks, even track caffeine intake. Simple, sleek, and addictive. Once you use it, regular mugs feel primitive. Hot coffee, always perfect. Your smartwatch might count steps, but this strap reads your body. The Aura Strap 2 replaces a regular Apple Watch band with sensors that track hydration, fat, and muscle composition through bioimpedance analysis, the same tech used in medical scales. Each scan gives real-time insight into your fitness progress, not just calories burned. Athletes call it the missing link between data and results, because knowing your body is how you actually change it. Smart feedback. Imagine your backyard turning into a live wildlife documentary. The Bird Buddy is a solar-powered smart bird feeder with a built-in camera that identifies and photographs visiting birds automatically. Its AI recognizes over 1,000 species and sends you notifications with snapshots right to your phone. It's part education, part entertainment, and entirely relaxing. Nature meets technology, and suddenly your mornings get a lot more interesting. Ever wondered when your body actually needs water? The Nix Hydration Biosensor answers that scientifically. This small patch sticks to your arm during workouts, analyzes your sweat in real time, and alerts you when to hydrate and how much. It's used by pro athletes to fine-tune performance and recovery, but it's now available for everyday fitness enthusiasts. Your body speaks in data. This gadget helps you listen. If even one of these gadgets surprised you, imagine what's next. Hit like if you found something new today. It tells the algorithm you want more deep dives like this. And if you're still watching, you're officially part of the 1% who actually finish what they start. Respect. Home security just went airborne. The Ring Always Home Cam is a flying indoor drone that patrols your house automatically when you're away. It takes off from its dock, records short patrols, and returns to recharge, completely hands-free. You can view the live feed from your phone anywhere in the world. It's like having a guard dog with propellers. Peace of mind, upgraded to 2025 standards. Cyclists know, most GPS apps are made for cars, not bikes. The Beeline Velo too changes that. It uses smart algorithms that prioritize safer, smoother routes over the shortest path. And it displays them on a sleek, minimal compass-style screen. No cluttered maps, no confusion, just arrows and vibes. Riders say it feels intuitive, like it knows where you'd want to go. Ride smarter, not harder. Beauty meets hygiene with the Brushin, a portable UV-powered case that sanitizes your makeup brushes in minutes. It kills 99.9% of bacteria using ultraviolet light, preserving brush quality and preventing breakouts. It's compact, rechargeable, and perfect for travel or vanities that double as labs. Makeup tools finally got their tech glow up. Clean brushes, clear skin, zero effort. Imagine taking a doctor's toolkit and fitting it into a remote. The Withings Beam O is exactly that. A smart health scanner that measures temperature, heart rate, oxygen, and even checks your lungs with a mini stethoscope. It syncs automatically to your phone's health app, turning complex data into clear, visual trends. It's like having a pocket-sized clinic at home. Proactive health starts with real-time insight, and this gadget delivers both. Keys are old news. The Aqara Smart Lock. U100 unlocks your door with your fingerprint, your phone, or even your Apple Watch. It's part of the new wave of HomeKit-compatible smart locks that blend convenience with encryption-grade safety. Installation is quick, battery life lasts months, and you'll never fumble for keys again. Once you use biometrics, going back feels medieval. Your door just got smarter. Now this one sounds like sci-fi, but it's real. Hydroloop captures and cleans up to 85% of your household water, making it safe to reuse for toilets, laundry, and gardens. It works automatically, saving thousands of litres per year without any chemicals. It's already installed in eco-homes and hotels worldwide. Sustainable living isn't about sacrifice anymore. It's about smarter tech. Save water. Save money. Win-win. Imagine earbuds that let two people who don't share a language talk naturally. No screens, no pauses. The Time Kettle WT2 Edge does exactly that. Each person wears one earbud, and it translates speech instantly through AI, keeping the flow of conversation alive. Used in hospitals, airports, and even classrooms, it's the most seamless communication bridge yet. Technology just made empathy universal. Listen smarter, speak freely. Can't sleep because you're too hot or freezing. The Sleep Me Dock Pro is a smart mattress pad that heats or cools your bed on demand. It circulates temperature-controlled water quietly under your sheets, adjusting to your ideal sleep zone all night. Used by pro athletes and biohackers, it's clinically proven to improve deep sleep by up to 30%. It's not luxury, it's performance. Control your climate, control your rest. They look like normal Ray-Bans, but the Meta smart glasses hide cameras, microphones, and an AI assistant inside. You can take hands-free photos, live stream directly, or ask your glasses to identify what you're looking at. Plants, landmarks, even text. They blur the line between fashion and augmented intelligence, and the next update adds real-time translation through your lenses. When eyewear starts thinking, perspective changes forever. See smarter. From mugs that keep coffee perfect to glasses that think, these gadgets prove something bigger. We've crossed the line between convenience and intelligence. The future isn't waiting for us. It's quietly living in our pockets, on our desks, and now in our homes. Which one would you actually buy? Tell me below, because your favorite might headline our next deep dive, Tech That'll Shape 2026.